Hey everyone, happy London Eve, meaning that tomorrow I am leaving for London. My husband just arrived and is in our hotel, and I won't tell you which one it is yet, but there was a little bit of a problem, so hopefully they'll correct it and then I can recommend it to clients. So I'm getting ready this morning and I'm thinking about the things I need to put in my luggage, and I wanted to talk for just a second about hair appliances. So you've got to have dual voltage. Don't get a voltage converter. They don't work, but I mean, they do work, but they're a pain. So you want to dual voltage, or some people just buy something when they're there, but I don't think that's necessary because now you're stuck with an appliance you can't use at home. So let me show you how you tell if something is dual voltage. Not everything is. Don't make the assumption, or like a friend I took a few years ago, you will watch your hair appliance catch on fire and blow up in your face. It wasn't that dramatic, but anyway, so this one is not dual voltage. Let me show you. See if you get, oops, let me get the right way. See that right there that says 125 to 1600 watts? It just is 125 volts. That's just America. That's the only place this is going to work, is where there is 125 volts. And of course, do not use it in the shower. This is fantastic. I basically have gotten rid of everything else that I own. This is a curler and a straightener. Yeah, cool. This one, I'll turn it the right way. I had it the right way. All right. This one, you can kind of see, there we go. There we go. See, it says 100 voltage, AC 100 to 240. Winner. That one's dual voltage. Now, you're going to need an adapter for this end of it, but that's not a big deal. But this one, it probably work only at lower temperatures, but this one's dual voltage, and I'm so excited. Woo, that's new. This is my dual voltage hair dryer. It folds up. It's kind of cool. I don't know if you can see it on this one because it's embossed. But it should say somewhere on here, yes, right there, 125 to 250. And most of the ones, hair dryers that are dual voltage, will have this little toggle switch right here that you have to switch over, 125 being America, 250 being the UK, or a lot of Europe, all of Europe. Blow dryers have to have that. I have not run into one that was just naturally like this one, just dual voltage. You have to have that switch. And fun fact, when you're using it, low is the new high. High will not work. See, I can't even push it down to high. Low is the only speed that you got. But this one works really good. It folds up, fits in my suitcase. So there you go. That is my pro tip today on dual voltage hair appliances. Just look for those little tiny embossed labels. They're either embossed or they're going to be printed on. And if it doesn't say 240 on it, you can't take it with you. We'll see you in London next week.